In this video, I will cover the 5 steps you need to take in order to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Exodus wallet. Step 1 is opening Exodus and finding your receiving address. So just open up Exodus wallet either on desktop or mobile and then click or tap the asset you want to receive. So whether that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whichever one you want to send from Kraken. Then click on receive and copy the receiving address. And make sure you are using the correct network. So for example, for Bitcoin, the Bitcoin network, for Ethereum, Ethereum network, etc. Now Exodus shows which network the address belongs to. Always match that with the one that you choose on Kraken. Now important, sending a token on the wrong network will permanently lose your funds. So make sure to check which network you're using on Exodus wallet. Step 2 is to just log into Kraken and from there clicking on withdraw from within your portfolio here and then selecting the same cryptocurrency. So for example, if you selected Bitcoin on Exodus wallet, here I would now also pick Bitcoin. If on Exodus wallet it then showed that it was using the Bitcoin network, then here I will also pick the Bitcoin network. From there click add withdrawal address and here paste in the address that you copied on Exodus. Then give it a recognizable name, such as, for example in this case, Exodus, Bitcoin, and then click on add withdrawal addresses. Now Kraken will email you to confirm and approve the new address, so just check your inbox and approve it. And then step 4 is to just select it from the list, choosing how much you want to withdraw. Now I recommend doing a small amount first and then if it shows up, sending the rest. So from here click on review. Then you will see the withdrawal fee, network type, and if it's all correct, just click on confirm and then confirm via 2FA if prompted. And step number 5 is to wait for the blockchain confirmation. So Kraken will show your withdrawal as pending until it's sent to the blockchain. So if you want, you can track it under activity and then it will show right here. So that's basically how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Exodus wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.